printing some nice stuff for my dad because we recently got an RC or a collection's worth of them, and yeah, trying to make like I guess like a jack for it, so you could just put on top, like put it on top of here and work on it, remove the tires and everything, hopefully. But this thing looks a bit crooked. Hopefully it's not like in the final product. Let's just hope. Oh, another thing. I got a new desk. Yeah. And I used like the old parts, or like the old cabinets, like this one and this one. Just put them together or put them underneath because this thing's high enough for that sort of stuff. Kind of fix the cable management, but I gotta fix that cable right there that connects the 3D printer to the PC. And I kind of gotta hide that one. That one's an easy fix. If you look over here, yeah, just light tweaks, I guess. But after that, this thing should be good. I'll make I guess, a follow-up to this one when it's actually fully complete and all the cable stuff is sorted out and the mess on my table. Actually, we transferred the old desk downstairs so we could use it for my sister, and this is her old desk, which actually nicely matches this one, same height and everything. So that was a score. But that's it for right now. I'll think of something to upload, you know. Just recently got at the first semesters of SCSU, so yeah. Oh, not first semester, second semester. So my first year in college completed. Now I just got to decide on what to do during this time. Either watch videos, play video games, and 3D print. That's actually most likely what I'm gonna do. But also RC stuff. Most definitely RC stuff. Alright. That's the end of this video.